And now you live here, in Barcelona?
Oh yes, unfortunately.
Unfortunately?
Different people don't speak only Catalan.
People speak only Catalan here?
No, where I live.
Where you live? Where do you live?
In the inside of Catalunya.
Inside of Catalonia. This sounds like more of a you problem. Guys, you can just go to a place and be like, why are you guys speaking the language you're supposed to be speaking here? If you go to France, it'd be like, why are you all speaking French here? They will murder you. They will take a week-old baguette. Yeah, French people suck. Okay, no, I'm kidding. What do you do, miss?
I'm a translator.
You're a translator, and you complain that everybody speaks Catalan around you. What? The only reason you have a job is that they don't speak English.